Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful claw rhinestone bracelet. This tutorial is especially for all of you who've been requesting it so much. This is actually my second tutorial on making rhinestone bracelets. If you missed the first one, don't worry, I've added the link in the description below. And guess what? I'll be posting more diamond bracelet tutorials if this video hits 10,000 views. So, if you enjoy this, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your community. For finishing the bracelet, make sure to cross back the wire from the U-shaped clasp and the crimped bead.
Every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides.
Cut the extra wire.
Art and craft abide. From hair clips to jewelry.
Let's attach the extension chain with the help of jump rings and the lobster lock.
One thread at a time. A symphony of color and light.
And your bracelet is done. I hope you like this tutorial. Be happy and keep watching. See you in the next video. Bye.